Hey Copilot, can you help me with some Christmas planning?
Absolutely, I'd love to help. Whether you're thinking about gift ideas, travel plans, or decking your place out with holiday decorations, just let me know what you're aiming for.
Awesome. Well, we start with Christmas Eve and we have a big family dinner and then we like to watch the Christmas carols, but I want to make sure that everybody knows what time to get here and what to bring. Can you help me with that?
Of course, I'd be happy to. Just let me know what kind of Christmas planning you have in mind and we'll dive right in.
Awesome. Well, I need to make sure that I've got a list of everybody who's coming, what they got to bring, and I want to make sure that I can send it off in a nice email.
All right, that sounds good to me. Let's start by putting together a guest list, and then we can figure out who's bringing what. And finally, I'll help you draft a nice email to send it all out.
Awesome. Let's do it.
Perfect. Let's get rolling. We'll jot down the names of your guests, sort out who's bringing what, and then I'll help you put it all into an email that you can send out when you're ready.
Awesome. Now that that's done, have you got any good gift wrapping ideas? Because I'm kind of bored of this generic old stuff.
Absolutely, I've got you. We can definitely spice up that gift wrapping. You might want to try something like using some rustic brown paper with a bit of twine and maybe some little sprigs of greenery or even some personalized name tags. That way it feels a bit more special.
Awesome. I'll give it a go.
Sounds good. And if you need any more fun wrapping ideas or just want to brainstorm a bit more, just let me know.
What about some fun Christmas-themed games we could play?
Oh, absolutely. You could do something like a Christmas trivia game or maybe a holiday-themed scavenger hunt around the house. It's a great way to get everyone involved and have a bit of fun.
Awesome. Could you help me put together a presentation with rules and how to play the games and all that kind of stuff?
For sure, I'd love to help with that. We can put together a neat little presentation with all the game rules, how to play, and any fun details so everyone's on the same page.
Can you suggest anything else I might be missing to make this the most magical Christmas ever?
Sure thing. You might want to add a little Secret Santa element or a hot chocolate bar where everyone can make their own. Just a couple of extra touches to make it feel extra cozy and memorable.
That's a great idea. Thanks, Copilot. And Merry Christmas.